Hi everyone, this is Coach Joseph and today I'm going to show you what are the 3 replicated websites na ibibigay po sa atin upon signing up sa LiveGood. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, pag nagbayad tayo ng $49.95, may bibigyan po tayo ng digital products, and one of the digital product is this, the 3 replicated websites. So wala po tayong matatanggap na physical products. It's because hindi po kasama ang product. So, hindi po siya package. So, wala na pong package dito sa LiveGood. Okay? So, but ibig sabihin yan, anytime you want, anytime you need, pwede po tayong makakuha ng products at a very low price. Okay? So, it's because we are a member. So, upon paying $49.95, we are an official affiliate member. Okay? So, today papakita ko what are these 3 replicated websites. Okay, so first of all, we will open the browser from your phone and be sure na meron kayong internet connection. So you just type in www.livegood.com, and then so kapag nabuksan na natin yung ating website, we have to log in. Yan. So magkakaroon kayo ng sariling username and password kapag successfully signed up na po kayo sa LiveGood. So for example, I'm going to sign in my account. Okay. Ayan. So, from the website. So, makikita nyo po dyan ang menu. And then, my website. Okay. So, ito na po yan. So, the first website that you will have is itong tinatawag na corporate site. Okay. Back office. Okay. So, ito siya. Ayan. livegood.com. Okay. So, paano natin magagamit to? So, we can monitor itong ating business using this corporate site or yung ating back office. Okay, so dito tayo naglalagin. So, ito na po actually yung first na website natin. Yan, kung saan tayo naglalagin. Okay, then the next one is itong Power Landing page. Yan, so mapapansin nyo, livegoodtour.com. Kapag meron kayo nakitang livegoodtour.com, so that is your personal link or Power Landing page. Ito po yung isa-send natin sa mga gusto nating i-invite, okay, in LiveGood. Yan. We just copy this link and share it to our friends and whoever na gusto nating sendan ng link na to. Gusto nating i-share this life-changing opportunity. Okay? So, another one is the retail site. So, retail site, this is the site or link, personalized link yan. So, pansin nyo, shoplivegood.com plus your username. So, this is the product. So, if you want to sell products, so share it to others. Okay? So, you can just send this link, shoplivegood.com, and then the company will take care of everything. Silang magdi-deliver, silang magko-collect ng payment, and then ang gagawin mo lang, hintayin mo lang yung inyong commission. So, ganun siya kadali. Wala nang physical product na kailangan nating bitbitin o stock sa atin. Okay? So, napakaganda po. And then, we have additional 2 product pages. So, we have the LiveGood Super Reds and LiveGood Super Greens. So, these are the products. So, ang maganda nito, meron na siyang demonstration. Just click it, send this link, and the company will explain everything about the products. So, ganun po siya kaganda. Okay? So, these are the 3 replicated websites plus the 2 product sites. Okay? Thank you for listening and see you on my next video. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.